Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing the syllabus for mobile communication systems. This is a subject for final year students in EXTC, that is Electronics and Telecommunication, under Mumbai University. This syllabus is revised in the year 2016, so please do check your current syllabus when you're watching this video. So let's get started with the video. The first thing that you have is a teaching scheme. Here you will be having 4 hours of theory lectures per week, and in the examination scheme you will be having 20 marks of internal examinations, in which you will be having 2 examinations which will be averaged, and then you will be having 80 marks of end semester examination. So total is 100 marks. The next thing is the prerequisite, or the subjects that you should already know before studying mobile communication systems, that is analog communication, digital communication, and computer communications and networks. But do not worry if you have any doubts regarding these subjects, as I'm going to teach this subject from scratch. So let's now straight away move to the syllabus of the subject. So the first module that we have is Fundamentals of Mobile Communication. It has 2 parts. The first part is Introduction to Wireless Communication, and the second part is Cellular Concept System Design Fundamentals. The first part is regarding the basic definition and the examples of wireless communication systems that are present. Next, we have the cellular concept, which is the heart of the mobile communication systems, from which all the generations of the mobile communication systems were preceded. So this module is for 8 hours. Next module we have is mobile radio propagation. In this module we will study how your waves or how your information gets transmitted. So here we have 3 parts. The first is large scale fading, small scale fading, and then we have features of all conventional multiple accessing techniques. The next is the 2G technologies. As we all know, 1G was analog communication systems which did not have security and other features. So we proceeded towards digital communication systems, in which we have 2G technologies. So this is having GSM and IS-95 as the second generation of mobile communication systems. Next module is 3G technology, which means the third generation of mobile communication technology. Then we have 3GPP LTE. In this we'll be studying the introduction and the system overview. We'll be studying the entire architecture, which shows different channels, the different layers, and how the information gets transmitted. Next, and the final module we have is advanced techniques for 4G deployment. So as you can see, the syllabus is very finely designed, considering all the generations starting from 2G, 3G and 4G. Unfortunately, you do not have 5G over here, which is the next upcoming technology. The textbooks that are referred by Mumbai University are Rappaport for wireless communication, TL Single, and Andres Molish. I have referred all the 3 books while creating the syllabus for you. The reference books are by Upen Dalal, Wireless and Mobile Communication System, Vijay Garg, Wireless Communication Systems and Networking. I have also referred these 2 books. So this is it for the syllabus. If you're here till the end, please do consider liking, sharing and subscribing this channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.